Hi, boys and girls. We are working in our Journeys Reader's Notebook. This is grade 1, and this is volume 2. We're going to be working in the lesson 26 section, and the 3 pages we shall do are page 152, 153, and 154. So this first page we're going to be adding ed and ing to these base words. And you need to know that if the base word has a short sound and just one consonant after it, you need to double the consonant before you add ed or ing. That's a short sound with one consonant after it. You have to double the consonant before adding ing. So for hop, since it has a short sound, ah, we're going to have to double the P. Which one has two P's? Oh, this one. And then add ing. So let's circle this. This says hop. This is hopping. Okay, let's do that again. For bat, bat has a short sound, ah, with a T, just one little T that follows. But there have to be two consonants. We have to double this consonant and then add, in this case, the ed. So which one? Which one has the double T? Oh, there it is. Batted. Batted. Okay. Over here, oh, this is a different roll. This is a long sound. A. Skate. So we're going to have to knock off the E and add the ing in this case. When there's a long sound followed by, well, in this case, the E is making the A say its long sound, we're going to knock off the E and add ing. Okay? So which one of these has the E knocked off before adding the ing? It's probably this one. Let me look over here. Oh, no. They doubled the consonant there. Nope, that's not the rule. We have to knock off the E and add ing. Over here, they didn't knock off the E. They just left it there. So let's do this one. This one says skating. They knocked off the E and added ing. Skating. This says bike. Another long sound. And there's an E. Because it has a long sound, we're going to knock off the E. And, oh, in this case, we are not adding ing. We're adding the ed inflection. So let's see. It would look like this. B-I-K-E-D. B-I-K-K-E-D, not that one. B-I-K-E, it's this one. We knocked off the E and we added ed. So we put the E right back. But we had to knock it off first before adding it. Okay, so that says biked. Okay, here, these chickens are hugging, right? Here's the base word hug. That's a short sound. So what's the rule? We have to make this into a double consonant. This G into a double consonant and then add ing. So we have to make it into two G's. If you don't, it'll say huging, instead of hugging. There have to be two consonants there before you add the inflection, the ing. So hugging, that one only has one G. I can't do that one. This one has two G's. Okay, so let's circle that. Hugging. This one is the one that says huging. Ugh. Okay, so that says hugging. The base word is hug. And then finally we have the base word wave. Wave is, the A in wave is a long sound and it has an E. What's the rule? Knock off the E and then we're going to add the inflection. And the inflection is going to be ed. So it's going to look like this. You knock off the E and then you add the inflection. In this case, it's going to be an ed. W-A-V-E-D. Waved. W-A-V-E-D. It's this one. It's not wavied and it's not wavavad. It's waved. Okay, that was sort of a hard one. Okay, for this one, we're just going to read our sight words one time, and then we're going to answer these questions. That doesn't look too in focus. I think I'm going to try it a little bit over here on the autofocus and see if that helps. Let's see. Tell me if this looks better. Does that look any better? That definitely doesn't look better. Yeah. Okay, I think that's good enough. I think that's better. I'm not sure. Sorry to have to interrupt this lesson to do a little autofocus, but I don't want to drive you guys nuts. Okay. So here's the word bear. Surprised. Read these with me. Toward. Even. Above. The A and the O both make the sound. Above. Teacher. Studied. Pushed. And then we're right back to bear again. Okay, let's do these. Let me go ahead and put this up a little bit. And now, oh golly. Let me put this on 5 now. I think that will be better. So much better. Yes. We're going to circle the correct word to complete each sentence. A even helps you learn. A teacher helps you learn. Okay, the word is teacher. Teacher. Please push that box toward me. Please push that box pushed me. Toward me. That sounds the best. A bear is a big animal. A surprised is a big animal. A bear, B-E-A-R, a bear is a big animal. The lamp is above the shelf. The lamp is pushed the shelf. Above. The lamp is above the shelf. Mom, teacher Kim on the swing. Mom pushed Kim on the swing. Pushed. Pushed. That ed on pushed makes the t sound, doesn't it? Pushed. Jim was surprised by his birthday gift. Jim was even by his birthday gift. Jim was surprised. And in the word surprised, the ed spells d. All the family came, even Grandma. All the family came, above Grandma. Even. All the family came, even Grandma. Ben toward the painting closely. Ben studied the painting closely. The word studied goes best. Ben studied the painting closely. That means he really looked at it. Okay. We're going to circle the word that fits a sentence. Look at this picture. And this is, by the way, is on page 154. Okay. So we have some cowboys and we have some cows. We have a clown. The cowboy, a cow. The cowboy roped a cow. The cowboy roped a cow. Look at the cowboy. He's roping it. So let's pick this one and write it down in here. So here's the word rope. And then normally we would knock off the E and to add the ED, but we're going to leave it there since we know that it's going to be there anyway. Roped. A clown was waving a red flag, waving a red flag. They both say waving, but the rule is we have to knock off the E, add ing when the base word has a long sound, like waving does. So it can't be that one where they just left the E there. It has to be this one. Waving. A clown was waving a red flag. They must be talking about this clown. Waving. The bull stopped running. The bull stopped running. It's this one. You don't put two P's in front of that E right there, it's going to make the O say its name. It's going to make it say O, like over here, stopped. But that makes no sense. The bull stopped running. So let's write the word stopped. Here's the word stop. We have to double the consonant because that O is a short sound. We double the consonant and then add the inflection, the ED. The bull stopped running. Okay, we're going to go do this last one. It's going to cover. This picture is not going to be. Okay, Kate peated silver. Okay, here's by the way the bull that stopped running. Now, but now there's Kate and she's petting Silver. That's the name of her horse. Okay, so it's not peated silver, petted silver. Pet is the base word and it has a short sound, p, t, and it only has one consonant in the base word. So in order for it not to say peated, we have to double the consonant. So now there's two T's, pet, and then we can add the inflection, ed. Kate petted Silver. Okay, that's your lesson for the day. Toodaloo.